Hi everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com. That's blinkee.com. And as you all know, many people in the world are stuck at home because of the coronavirus global pandemic. Boy, it's tough being stuck at home, but we don't have to have a terrible time. I'm going to show you how we can have some fun at home while we're stuck. And I'm going to start off with showing you a very cool coin trick, and then I'm going to show you how it's done, and after that I'm going to show you some very cool coins that we have for sale on Blinky.com. So I'll start off with this coin trick, and the great thing about this coin trick is it doesn't take a lot of skill, it really just takes practice once you know how to do it. So this is something I practiced for a long time. I've known the trick for probably 20 or 25 years. And it goes a little something like this. I'm going to move my hand close to the camera so you'll be able to see it in detail. So we use a quarter, and you can use different size coins depending on your hand size. A quarter works great for me. And I start with the quarter on my thumb here, and I'm going to roll it on my knuckles like so. And I'm going to do it 3 times. So you can really see how it's done. Okay, now to give you a tutorial on how that's done, what we do is, as you can see, we start off balancing the coin on our thumb. The first move is just to bring the coin over with the thumb and place it on the index finger knuckle. If you can see that. The next step is to use the middle finger to sandwich the coin between the knuckles and come down, and that allows the coin to perch on on the middle finger. Next step is to use the ring finger to sandwich the coin and flip it onto the ring finger. Finally, we use the pinky, little finger, and then it is held between the pinky and the ring finger. It doesn't flip onto the pinky knuckle, at least the way I do it. And then we transfer it using the pinky back onto the thumb. And that's how it's done. That's your trick of the day from Magic Matt, so you can have fun at home. Now I want to tell you about some very cool coins that we have for sale on Blinky.com. Specifically, I'm going to tell you about some Trump coins that we have, and you can find them at trump.blinky.com. That's trump.blinkee.com. First, we have this cool 2017 silver-plated Donald Trump Liberty coin with the American Eagle on the back. Next we have a 2017 gold-plated Donald Trump Liberty coin with the American Eagle on the back as well. This is a Donald Trump coin commemorating Jerusalem and Donald Trump's declaration of Jerusalem as the capital of Israel. It's also known as the Temple coin. This is a gold accented Donald Trump coin commemorating Donald Trump's historic agreement with North Korea. A beautiful picture of Donald Trump and Kim Jong-un on the reverse side. This one also comes in silver plating, and yes, it's real silver plating, and the gold coins are also actually genuine 24 karat gold silver plating as well. This we call the Donald Trump silver silhouette on a USA flag background. It has an American Eagle on the back, a little bit different style. Here's a 2020 Donald Trump Keep America Great coin. This is a silver coin with a gold bust of Donald Trump. And on the back, it's silver with the gold American eagle with red, white, and blue shield. This is a very similar coin. This is the gold coin with the silver Donald Trump bust on the front. And on the back is the gold background with the silver eagle and the red, white, and blue stars and stripes motif shield. Finally, we have a Donald Trump coin for 2020. This is a little more whimsical coin. And it says on there, make liberals cry again. And I'm not a liberal myself, I'm not a conservative. I'm somewhere down the middle. And then this is the funny part. Donald Trump flipping the bird with missiles and eagles and all kinds of funny stuff, and even a McDonald's logo on there. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our trick. I hope you find some nice coins for when we're back. We're back on the street, we're back at work, and we're going to Donald Trump rallies. Thanks for watching. See you next time.